Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python 3.10 or later is installed because modern features and libraries expect it. Once done, create and activate a virtual environment to isolate packages. This prevents dependency conflicts later. Next, pick an editor with linting and debugging support so you can iterate fast. Then initialize a project folder and add a simple requirements. TXT. Make sure to commit an initial Git repo. These steps get you coding immediately and keep the environment reproducible. You now build features incrementally. Write one small function, then unit tests that define expected behavior, and run PyTest to verify each change. Use type hints to clarify interfaces and static tools to catch bugs early. Organize code into packages and modules so imports stay clean. Include init. Py where appropriate. Add logging for runtime visibility and a formatter like black to keep style consistent. Once passing tests, incrementally integrate with the rest of the app and refactor confidently. You finish by preparing a package config, pip-reject, toml and tagging a release so others can install your code. Once done, run full integration tests and set up a CI pipeline that runs linters, tests, and builds automatically. Deploy artifacts or wheels and verify in a staging environment. If something breaks, check logs first, reproduce locally, and then isolate the failing component. Troubleshooting tip. Recreate the virtualenv and reinstall dependencies to rule out environment corruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.